Got the batteries charged up. I didn't even take the time to put the wing back on, but that's okay. We're gonna put the top on. We're gonna take it out and drive it.
Let's go.
The worst part about it, it turns so late.
Right.
You're going so fast and you're trying to turn it so late. Alright, so I don't know if I forgot to put the piece here back or if I lost it somewhere. I just realized it's missing when the truck didn't pick back up. But it was picking up, so I think we lost it. Alright, so we lost it over here, jumping the pine tree. I found it. This is what we lost. And really, it needs to be replaced anyway. It sits in there just like this. And when I first got it, I rigged it with my 8th scale buggy, and I did this to it. I ran into the back of it. So it's not the truck's fault that it's broke, it's my fault. And it's not the truck's fault that this fell out either, because you remember when I said I forgot I was going to drive it without the wing? Well, the bolts that hold this in are the same bolts that hold the bottom of the wing in. These pins go in these holes on each side. These 2 little notches on the bottom, these 2 feet, they go in the holes here. and then the wing bolts onto the back here. So I could have left it without this, but if I was going to do that, then I should have at least put the screws so this didn't come off. So if you're going to run it without the wing, make sure you at least put these 2 screws back in so you don't lose this piece that holds on the back. Alright, this is the part that we broke. You know, I was complaining about the steering, so I checked the manual. You see right here it says sluggish steering, servo saver to release. Alright, you see that screw there. That is the tie rod end for the right side. You can see how loose that is. That screw's supposed to be tight. Alright. Here's the tie rod on this side. You can see here's the problem with this steering. So the reason the screws haven't came out is because this bottom plate are holding them so they can't back out any further. But I've got a good feeling this is the reason my steering has been so bad since I've gotten this thing.